So theorem 2, converse of theorem 1. If a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to third side. First, here is triangle. First, you have to draw a triangle. Suppose this is a triangle. Triangle A, B, C. Let a straight line is PQ be one straight lines which divide AB at the point P and AC at the point Q. So given here AP by PB, that is AP means this is your AP, means PB means this is your PB, is equal to AQ means this is your AQ by QC. So you have to prove PQ parallel BC. Prove. Let us prove it. Since suppose PQ is not parallel to BC, let PQ dash be a straight line which is parallel to BC. Let us consider PQ is not parallel to BC. Let PQ dash be another straight line which is parallel to BC. So since PQ dash parallel to BC, therefore we can write AP by AB is equal to AQ dash by AC. That is AP means this is AP by AB means this is AB is equal to AQ dash by AC. Since PQ dash is parallel to BC according to our assumption. Okay, so now AB, now but given here AP by PB is equal to AQ by QC or PB by AB, PB by AB just reciprocal is equal to QC by AQ or PB by AP plus 1 is equal to QC by AQ plus 1 or AP PB plus AP is equal to AQ QC plus AQ, that is PB plus AP, PB plus AP, PB plus AP, PB plus AP is equal to AP, that is AB by AP is equal to QC, this here QC plus AQ, QC plus AQ equal to AC by AQ or AP by AB, or we can write AP by AB is equal to AQ by AC. This is your suppose equation 1, this is equation 2. So AP by AB is equal to AQ dash by AC. here also AP by AB is equal to AQ by AC. Therefore left hand side is equal, here left hand side AP by AB, here left hand side AP by AB, then right hand side must be equal, or we can write AQ dash by AC is equal to AQ by AC. So AC cancel out, or AQ dash is equal to AQ. AQ dash is equal to AQ. AQ dash is equal to A. This is AQ dash is equal to AQ. That is AQ dash is equal to AQ means PQ dash is equal to PQ. That is PQ parallel to AC or PQ dash parallel to BC. This is only possible when Q dash coincide with Q. This is only possible. This is only possible when Q dash coincides with Q, that is PQ parallel BC. P dash Q parallel BC or PQ parallel BC. When Q dash coincide with Q, then P dash Q is equal to PQ, that is PQ parallel BC. So in this way you can easily prove. First you have to draw a triangle ABC, then a straight line PQ, the ratio will be AP by PB is equal to AQ by QC given. So let us consider that PQ doesn't parallel to BC. Let P dash Q be parallel to BC. So now PAP by AB is equal to what? AQ dash by Q dash C. Then from taking this equation which is given here, AP by PB is equal to AQ by QC. This is your AP by PB is equal to AQ by QC. Just reverse it, then add 1 both side, then AB by AP is equal to AC by AQ, or AP by AB is equal to AQ by AC. Then left hand side of the equation 1 and 2 are equal, then right hand side must be equal, that is AQ dash by AC is equal to AQ by AC. So AQ dash by AC is equal to AQ by AC, AC cancel out, or AQ dash is equal to AC. This is only possible when Q dash coincide with Q, that is Q dash when coincide with Q, that is PQ dash is equal to PQ, that is PQ parallel BC. So in this way you can prove it. Okay.